Indian kitchen. Now we're both going to be doing ghee for you all. Now it's leading up into Eid, into Diwali after, and we wanted to do our versions of how to make ghee at home. If you guys can't find ghee, this is the perfect recipe for all of you. If you guys are not familiar with Navin's channel, it's called Trini Indian Kitchen. I will leave the link for it down below in the description box. Make sure and check out his channel. He has a cross between Fijian, Indian and Trini cooking, and it's really amazing. You will have to try out his recipes. And he also has some great roti recipes. You know everyone loves roti, so please, if you could do a favor for me and subscribe to his channel, show him some love and show him some support. So now guys, let me show you all how I make my version of ghee.